One of the best places to start is with recurring commissions. These programs reward you not just for the first sale, but every time your referral renews. This is common with software tools, memberships, and subscription-based services. A single referral can turn into a steady stream of monthly income, which builds up as more people sign up through your link. It's also important to consider the lifespan of the product or service. Is this something people will continue to use for years, or is it a passing trend? Long-term tools like email platforms or hosting services stick around, boosting your chances of earning steady commissions. Look for programs that offer multiple products, upgrades, or upsells within their ecosystem. That way, even if someone signs up for a basic plan, you can still earn additional commissions as they purchase more features or higher tiers. Reliable tracking and solid affiliate support are also key. You want to make sure the program has good reporting, reliable cookie tracking, and resources to help you promote effectively. Finally, promote things you believe in. Long-term income comes from building trust. When people know you only recommend what truly works, they're more likely to follow your recommendations again and again.